Y'all subscribe to Little on me. Thank y'all. I did get some Krispy Kreme. These are for my mom, sir. Why we gotta pay that much for water? Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm about to go outside. I feel like I keep coming to y'all every time I'm about to go outside, but yeah, I'm about to go outside. Y'all already know this is what I got on my eyes. The Marine Collagen Eye Gels. Trying to be consistent with them things to see if they even work eventually. But yeah, I'm about to go outside because we're supposed to have a snowstorm, supposedly. I don't know. And I wanted to get roses for my mom for Valentine's Day. So I want to get them from now. And I want to get some wine. Because just in case I don't get to go out for Valentine's Day, I have a solo day planned. So just in case I don't get to go, at least I could just cook me a meal. I mean, the only reason why I wouldn't go is because of the weather, but just in case it's that horrible, so I can't go outside, I just get me a bottle of wine. I don't plan on staying outside long, so I might just either get something quick outside or just come back and make lunch. And then I don't know what else I'm doing. I'm loving my brows. My brows are like giving with the brow freeze, with the wax. What is it called? It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax Gel. And baby, well, not gel, but it's just wax. I love how it do my eyebrows. My eyebrows are already thin, and I kind of shape them up when I get out the shower. So, I see I got three new subbies. Hey y'all. Y'all subscribe to Little on me. Thank y'all. Thank y'all so much to the new subbies. My name is Vday. I'm Jamaican. If you hear me talking a different dialect or whatever, that's my Jamaican language. It's called Patois. So whenever I say wagwan, I mean what's up. I'm saying what's up to y'all, so y'all can say what's up back. Okay? Just want to put that out there. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to Flower Shop, because that's where I'm gonna go right now, and I'm hungry. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all. Okay. I got the roses from somewhere else, not from that spot. I got some cane, some sugar cane. I came out here when the sun is about to go down, but I didn't buy nothing to eat. So I'm about to go home and make me something to eat. I don't know what I want, but I think I'm gonna make me a spinach wrap or something. And this man saw my roses, he's like, those for me, right? So I just laughed. He's like, oh wait, men can't get roses? I never said that, but these aren't for you, sir. These definitely aren't for you. Like, yo, why do I want my roses though? I know the guy, I don't think I can see him. I know he's across the street. There in the car blocking it. I got the roses as y'all saw. They're so pretty. These is 20. Yeah, these was 20. So I was walking after that clip, but I was at the block on the block. I was walking and another guy asked me, "Oh, are those for me? The roses?" I started laughing. I'm like, you never got roses before? He's like, nah. He's like, oh, nah, men don't get roses. Mind you, he's young. He don't even look like he even 30 yet. Like, if he's 30, he's probably just turned 30 or like early 30s. But he don't look like old or nothing. Like, so he was like, nah, men don't get roses. Only one time men get roses is when they die, like at their funeral. I said, I hear you, but I can't give you these. These aren't even for me. And then he was like, I'm trying to get some roses. I'm trying to get some roses. So I'm like, I said, I'm sorry, these aren't even mine. Like, I'm sorry. And he was like, oh, word. Of course, so automatically think it's for somebody else. Of course, but these are for my mama. So these are for my mom, sir. And honestly, he's handsome or whatever, but my mind wasn't even on that. I literally just thought about that when I got in the house. Like, oh, he's cute. But I thought about what he said. Like, that's true. Men don't really get flowers. I haven't seen any men get flowers. I feel like some men would take it the wrong way. Like, you're giving them a bouquet of roses, they will take it the wrong way. They would not appreciate it. So I understand what he said, but at the same time, everybody's not like you. So, I mean, to each his own. But I got what he was saying. But I was the second guy that did that. I'm just like, damn, what's going on? Like, if I was on social media and I posted that, a lot of people would say that they're sassy. And I don't know. I don't really like that term, because I feel like, why is it that men are considered sassy if they want roses or if they know how to fix some roses? Like, oh yeah, because I have a video of my brother doing that. My brother was doing that, and that's what he asked. He was like, is it kind of sassy if men know how to fix some roses? Same thing. Like, if they get roses, is that sassy? I don't think it's sassy. I don't know. Things ain't the same as it was back in the day. So, but that's something to find out, like when you're dating somebody, to find out if that's something that they would like. You can't just, I feel like that's not something you could just do and then it's gonna be appreciated, because everybody don't like the same thing. So, but yeah, I'm about to make me a spinach wrap, a chicken spinach wrap, or spinach chicken wrap, whatever you want to call it. I'm about to make me one of those, because I did season some chicken up yesterday and I didn't cook because I was editing, and and I don't feel for rice right now. So I'm gonna make a spinach wrap, because I didn't buy spinach wrap. And I do have tomatoes, cucumbers, what else I got? Avocado. So yeah, we're gonna make us a nice spinach wrap for dinner. That's gonna be dinner.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears aren't proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy, you can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready, you just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary, you just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy, you can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready.
So I did my best with the flowers. I don't know. I left this piece out because it can't really fit nowhere. What kind of rose is this? I think it's just like I don't know, but I like it. I like her. Alright, so I'm about to show y'all the wines that I bought. Okay, I can see right there. I'm about to show y'all these wines. I bought 2 bottles of wine. This is the first one. I love me. This one, this is my favorite Moscato. my favorite. Like, I love this one. I tried the other ones. I think I tried Chardonnay, and I didn't like the Chardonnay. And I think it was another one I tried. I didn't like them. This is my favorite one out of the Yellowtail brand. This is my favorite one. I didn't try the Sauvignon Blanc though, but I do want to try Sauvignon Blanc. I don't know if they have Sauvignon Blanc in this one. This YouTuber that I watch, what's her name? Jasmine Destine. She was talking about, I forgot the brand she was talking about too, but yeah, I'm gonna try the Sauvignon Blanc. And then this one, this is one I bought to try. Stella Rosa. Stella Rosa. It's semi-sweet, so but after these, when I'm done with these, I ain't drinking no more. The wines that I'm gonna either drink vegan or low sugar, so which I did see in there, so at least I know where to get them. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the berry flavor, Stella Rosa, Stella Berry, but they had the mango too, and I wanted to get the mango because I love me mango. I love everything mango, so I wanted to get mango, but I'm like, since it's like Valentine's Day type of vibe, let me just get the red one, or reddish one. If I like this one, I will try the mango. Yeah, so that's that. And I'm starving, so yeah, we're gonna cook right now. Let's get to cooking right now. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for like 20 minutes, 15 minutes. I want it soft. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna put with my lettuce and this is the spinach wrap. I hope this wrap tastes good. Chicken is done. Chicken got some color. Italian blend lettuce. I don't know if this is liquidy or is it like creamy. I don't really like creamy. I'm trying to see if it's liquidy or not. It looks liquidy, but it doesn't look too liquidy. Oh, for sure. Yeah, for sure using that. Oh yeah, I didn't know. Damn, I should put this on here. I thought it was liquidy, like mad dressy, but it says it's a sauce and a dressing mixed together. All right, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna put some lettuce on there because that's about to be mad good. I'm just throwing this shit all over. Chicken. This wrap about to say. This wrap about to be bomb. I really wanted to make a wrap, but it's not letting me, so I have to make a whole different one. But yeah, so I'm gonna wrap it now like a snack wrap. I used to work at McDonald's, so I know how to wrap these things. I know how to wrap these things. Damn, this one is small. Oh man, I wanted a big wrap. Damn. Alright, so I'm about to put it in a pot. Like, I wanted to make this wrap so bad for the longest, and it didn't come out. Oh, it kind of burnt a little. Oh, look at it. It got a little burnt. But I guess it's fine. So we're gonna cut it. Ooh. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna taste taste it, give y'all my honest opinion, because this is not how I wanted to come out, but whatever, next time I know. But let me get a drink. My current grape. I freaking love these. Oh, a lot of avocado, baby. Yeah. Mmm. 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 This is good. Never bad. It doesn't taste bad to me. Nope, I just be eating good. This is good. Oh my god. This avocado lime. This shit right here. It expired July. I got 2 of them. Oh, they're gonna be done by July. This shit right here tastes so freaking good. Mmm. Oh my god, this sauce. Mmm. You wanna buy it? Mmm. No. This is everything. Mmm. What's the best thing they done did? I had to bring that up. My dad tried up. I think he will like it. I'm glad I made dinner, not buy. So it's 7:41. I'm glad I'm eating early. I've been trying to I need a straw. I don't have straw. I'm about to say, I know I got straws. One thing about me, oh damn, the paper straw. One thing about me, wherever I go, I be spelling straws. It's not refreshing. I've been trying to eat early these days, not past 8 o'clock. I'm not trying to eat late no more. So, even though this is not really heavy, but I'm not trying to eat heavy late no more. So, it's gonna be between 6 and 8, nothing past 8, and sometimes 7 too. So yeah, but I'm out. I have a Fashion Nova package that I want to unbox with you guys real quick. Just a quick go on too. Yeah, package. We got a package from Fashion Nova. I forgot I had this package, so we're gonna open her up. Alright, so I will put them on the screen, each piece. So this one, oh, I like this top. So with it, I forgot, this one was for my Valentine's date. Yeah, let's see, the picture will be on the screen. So this is the one that I bought to wear on Valentine's Day when I go out. Now the next one, got this pink sweater. I love the colors with the pink. So I'm like, oh, I don't really have a lot of pink. I'm a girly girl, but it's just pink. I don't really have a lot of pink in my closet. So I think it's a crop sweater. It's a turtleneck sweater, and it has pink and the other colors blended in with it so well. So I loved it. Like, not a pink girly, but I gotta get this pink one. So I'm supposed to meet up with one of my friends, and she loves pink, so I might just wear this just for her because she loves pink. Plus it's Valentine's Day, and if we're going on a Valentine's Day date, it's perfect color to wear. And the last piece that I have, I couldn't resist. I love you some green. I just couldn't resist. I love this sweater. I saw it. I'm like, I have to get it. Yeah, so it's the green, super soft turtleneck sweater. Fashion Nova stuff could really small. And I feel like this sweater is extra large was so small for me. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, I don't get some weight, but don't do that to me. I love this sweater. I hope it fits me. I just hope it fits. I will be seeing me in these upcoming vlogs. We'll be seeing those. So yeah, that's it for this little Fashion Nova unboxing. I said unboxing, but y'all know what I mean. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. I'm about to go get some fruits outside because since this snowstorm was coming, the supermarkets was packed. So I'm like, I'll just go in the morning, early in the morning, if that was the case. It's 9:23 right now. Let's check the weather real quick. They did say public schools are closed today. Not closed, but like they're going remote today, so kids are staying home. All right, so it is snowing. Okay, so yeah. Oh my God, that spinach wrap was everything, and it was so filling. It was so filling. Like I didn't eat nothing else after that. I didn't eat nothing else after that. Like right now, I'm not that hungry, and I ate like that's what time I ate. I forgot what time, but I think it was like around 8 o'clock. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be eating that often from now on. But yeah, I'm about to go to the market to get some fruits and coconut water and water. They was like today we were supposed to be getting 5 to 6 inches of snow, but I don't think the snow is sticking. It snowed. I saw that it snowed, but I don't think it's sticking. So yeah, I'm just gonna go now before the snow comes down heavy, if anything. I'm back. Kitchen is so cold. So as y'all saw, outside is snowing. 10:43 and it's 30. It's still snowing, but it's not as bad as when I went out there. I did buy breakfast. I sure did. I bought me some porridge because it's cold and I just needed a pick me up. Okay, because I'm not. I was like, this kitchen is cold. Y'all see how I have the scarf wrapped around me? It's mad cold in here. Yeah, so I said I'm gonna just buy me some porridge. I wanted peanut porridge, but they didn't have it. They only had cornmeal, so I'm like, whatever. I'll just take it because the plan is not to cook breakfast today. I'm sorry. I don't know about anybody else, but I was one of them kids that loved the snow. Like especially Christmas time. Even as a teenager, I love the snow at Christmas time. That's my favorite holiday. So snow, Christmas, that whole vibe. I love it. So the fact that it's snowing like this, I definitely was a big kid just now. I don't care. I don't care. I was a big ass kid just now because I'm like, yo, it's been a minute it snowed like this, first of all, and it's been a minute it snowed at all for us. It snowed like a couple weeks ago or a month ago, but we didn't really get hit like how like other states got hit. But the way times have changed, public schools are closed, but they're doing school at home, like somewhat remote school. Like what? What in the 90s? What in the 2000s? What was that? But they know what the hell remote school was in 2000s. Like what? Besides college students, you what? Child, the way times have changed because it's different. I know we all the way in 2024 now, but come on, these kids got it too easy. Because even we used to we used to trud it through freaking snow and get to school. Like what? Junior high school. We should be struggling in them damn um mountain gear boots because I had no Timberlands. Okay, I had the mountain gear boots from Payless. Okay, and that's what we had to trot it in to get to school. And I'm just like, how are these kids? These kids have it so easy now. Like, if only they knew how easy they got it. Like, if only they freaking knew. But yeah. Anyways, yeah. Let me show you what I got real quick. I got more water, and the reason why I was supposed to order my water from Amazon 24 pack, but y'all, Amazon. Why are we paying so much for water? I still have it in my cart. I just haven't ordered it because I'm just confused as to why water is so expensive. That's the thing that we need the most. And it's so damn expensive. Like, why? See, I got two in my cart. Y'all see that? $7.49. Like, it's crazy. Why we gotta pay that much for water? Like, that's crazy to me. Got some coconut water to drink and to make my smoothies. That's why I bought to buy fruits because I'm about to start making my smoothie. I'll be feeling for smoothies, so that's why I bought fruits. So this one is organic. I'm gonna see how it tastes. And I'm used to this one. This is one of the ones I usually buy. And it's 100% water. The ingredients 100% water. Nothing else. Just water. Strawberries is expensive. And the other day, I saw them for $3.99, and I should have picked them up. I should have picked them up. But this shit is $7, but I really needed it. My new friends. My new friends. I got apples too. This golden apples. I love golden apples to eat. If I'm gonna juice, I'll use the green one. And then I got some Mott's fruit snacks to snack on. Yeah. So I got me some porridge like I did say because I was nuts. Oh, she filled it all the way up. Why when they do that? Like, why? It's already filling. But how much was this? I forgot. I don't know. It looks so grainy. It's kind of lumpy. Let's see how it tastes, even though it looks real lumpy. Oh, it's good though. It's good. mm. Mm. I'll be telling y'all, I be eating good. I be eating good. I'll probably check back in tomorrow because I got stuff to do tomorrow. So I will see y'all tomorrow. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of the snowy day. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So today's Wednesday, February 14th, and I'm about to take myself on a little solo date or whatever because I'm my own Valentine. So I'm gonna take myself on a little solo date. Yeah, we're heading out for the day, okay? My friends are working, and who's not working have their plans with their bae and boo and hubby and all that. So I'm taking myself out. Yeah, this is the look for the day. I'm a little sweater from Shein. I have other tops I was going to wear, but I'm saving that for the weekend because I'm going out this weekend. And y'all, it was snowing yesterday, but y'all gonna see how outside cleared up so quick. It's gonna look like it wasn't even snowing outside. But yeah, they have some Valentine's Day pop-ups going on, and I might go to Times Square. I want to get me some. I want some donuts. I'm feeling for donuts. I should not be eating that right now, but I'm gonna excuse myself for today. I'm feeling for some sweets, so I want to go get that and grab me a drink while I'm at it. Of course, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know if I'm gonna get dinner while I'm out there. Or if I'm gonna come back and cook. Depends on the time. So if I'm out there and it's a certain time, I'm just gonna get something to eat while I'm out there. The Bob Marley movie comes out today. I don't know if I'm gonna go see it today because I know it's gonna be packed. So I'm trying to play myself today. But I'll definitely get to see it this weekend. I don't even know how long it's playing. So hopefully I get to see it before it stops playing. Just keep watching the vlog, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys when I get to where I'm going, okay?
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say it, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, and blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne, cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party, she wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach your whip that Atari, nigga that ain't good game home.
Sometimes like it was super nice.
That was some good ass pasta. That's all I'm eating here, but nice little dinner.
It's the one like yeah. Really? She got me. I know he told me.
What to do what it was like because they don't have natural weekends anymore. You work for them. No, I swear, I just
Time to go.
wait.
Go to vintage shop, find something. It's like white metal pockets on the side and everything. They're like, yeah, this is
My friend like Walmart elbow also. Which one is this?
vintage shop.
I'm not about to wait for y'all.
Where are you getting it from?
He's wearing like
Oh, I had the presentation, I forgot. And the girl, she sent me a message. It's okay. Like,
I just left the cafe. The food was good. That pasta was good. Yeah, I haven't had pasta in a minute, but that pasta was good. That was some good pasta for $20. $20 for that pasta. So I'm about to go home, but I'm gonna go to Krispy Kreme first. I'm about to go to Krispy Kreme to get me some donuts for tomorrow. Yeah. Which way I came from? Soho. I swear, Soho is mad confusing. But yeah, I'm gonna see how when I get to Krispy Kreme because it's mad dark. It's freezing out here. But I'm ready to go home now, so I'm gonna see how when I get home. So I just came back from the city. I did get some Krispy Kreme and they're so pretty. That's what I got. The $8, y'all. Free pack for $8. I'm not gonna eat them now though because I'm really full from that pasta. And then I bought me a rose just now. I'm like, let me buy myself a rose and add it to my mom's collection. This damn thing off. It's a showing the soap like it wants for everybody that I paid $4 for it. All right, you $4. Chill out. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, please. And hello to the new subscribers. I see y'all. I see y'all. Yeah, I see y'all. Hey y'all. Wagwan. Thank you guys for subscribing. I hope you guys Valentine's Day was amazing. If y'all don't have Valentine's this year, don't feel bad. Love on yourself. And yeah, hopefully next year you'll be one of them. Hold up. If God wants it to happen, it will happen, okay? If it's meant to be, it'll be. So yeah, I will see y'all in the next video. Keep subscribing, comments so we could engage in the comments and talk and chit chat or whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Toodles.